Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. So to start off today's makeup look, we're going to use the Becca First Light Priming Filter. This is an instant complexion refresh. I really like this primer because it's really refreshing, it's hydrating, and it has a really nice smell. Can wake you up if you're feeling a bit sleepy or tired. And I'm just going to gently pat that into my skin. Next, for foundations, sorry I forgot to show you guys, but here I'm using the Revlon Colourstay foundation. And I'm just putting an even layer of this all over my skin. Next, we're going to move on to highlight, and to highlight I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs. This is the Remarkable Full Cover Foundation. I really like to use this to highlight because it's so pigmented, and it's easy to blend out as well, so I find it a bit more easier than a concealer, but yeah, I really like to use this as a highlight. And I'm just blending this out, making sure that there's no lines showing. Okay, next we're going to set our face, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and I got mine in the color Banana. And I'm just going to set all the spots that I highlighted and my smile lines as well. And next, just to bronze and contour my face, I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix foundation. And now moving on to eyes, I'm going to use my Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to take a purple eyeshadow that's in there, and I'm going to work this purple eyeshadow into my crease. As I was watching this footage back, I should have just left it like this, like a really light kind of, a really light layer of this, but I worked quite a lot into my crease. I made it really dark. So this is where you can see that I make it really dark, but I actually really like the look when it was just quite light. And now both eyes are done. I'm going to cut my crease now, and to cut my crease I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I quite like to use this to cut my crease. I do find like it does have a little like tingling sensation on my eyelids, but I still like to use it. I don't have like any irritation afterwards. And when I cut my crease, I like to just apply the concealer down towards my lash line and then look upwards. And when you look upwards, the concealer will remain on a spot on your eyelid, and then that's where I try to use that as a marking to cut my crease. And you can see that here I'm doing the same technique, looking upwards and then using that as the marking to where I cut my crease. Okay, now that my crease is cut, I'm moving back into the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take a light pink color, that color there, and I'm going to put that all over the concealer just to set that into place and to add in a bit of color as well. So you can see that when I cut my crease, I took quite a lot of the purple color away. It's just to stick out a little bit. And you can see that I did like a U shape. Normally I don't do that shape on my eyes. I like to take my eyeshadow out into like a wing kind of shape, but this time I did like a rainbow shape on my eye. And then I went ahead and used the Inglot eyeliner gel to do my eyeliner with a flat brush, and then just going back into the Morphe palette, just repeating the same steps underneath my eyes, so putting the same purple color, and then going back into the same light pink color, just repeating the steps, and just to blend this out and brighten it up a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to add mascara and some lashes. I'm using quite natural looking lashes here. And while the glue is drying on my lashes, I'm going into the Tarte Contour palette. I'm using the blush color that's in there just to add some blush. And then I'm taking the correcting powder and just putting a little bit of that under my eyes just to brighten up a bit more. And then I'm going to take the highlight and just add some highlighter on my nose. And on the cheeks. You can see that I kind of already had a little bit of a glow from the primer, but I'm just adding a bit more of a glow. And next I'm going to take MAC Gold Deposit. I just love this stuff, and I'm just going to put it on top just to kind of soften the whiteness of that highlighter that I had. I've added on my lashes here, and now moving on to lips. This is the Too Faced Liquified Longwear Lipstick, and the color is Chihuahua. And to finish everything off, I'm going to use my Mario Badescu setting spray, facial spray. And that is the finished look, everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to support me some more, share the video as well. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.